started in 3, 2, 1, go. All right, it looks like the Comets are going straight for that goal over there on the end, trying to get that starting peg clear of all of 3 of those red rings. While the Qualipu Comets are trying to get the other blue starting peg, already have 2 red rings on the low post. That is 35 seconds into the match. Drivers are switching controllers, and they have cleared all 3 of the starting pegs. And it looks like they're trying to get, they got the, they have 5 green rings on that peg there. That looks like 50 points for that one, as well as 3 other uniform posts.